Alright, I'm filming. This is so beautiful up here.
Pretty awesome.
It's like perfect.
Yeah. It's a little crusty, but it's good.
We could use like another few inches. We should do this again.
What?
We should definitely do this again.
Yeah, we should actually.
This is so nice. It's like perfect.
Wow. There's the bottom over on the right.
What's the sign say?
Going across the lake.
Yeah, probably. So you like turn left here? Just like traverse through that tree area? Yeah. That was pretty.
See the tracks down there? Just go down there. It just sucks because you have to hike out like quite a ways. See the little road?
Yeah. If you keep your speed up, if you like straight line that. Well,
It's not that steep. It's about as steep as the face.
Yeah, this is like nice though. I'm gonna go. That was nice.
Yeah, it was.
We should hit that again.
Cut through a little bit, but other than that, it's good.
I think I'm gonna like cut over here. Alright, I'm gonna stop filming.